Teecho Master Code Programming. So this one is here. This is the reset button. Now enter the default code, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you press this twice. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then you hit this. You see green light. Now you hit 1 again. This is green light. Now you enter a new code. Your code 1433. You see green light. 1433 again. Green light. Now it means it's done. So now you hit normal. So now check the code 1433. 1433. Now you see it's come out. Now to unlock 1433. You see it's unlocking now. This is just press any button to lock. Now to unlock. You see 1433. 1433. You see it's unlocked. So you are good.